Good afternoon, day 8, October 2025, 12 hours, 28 minutes. We'll reading. Have the reading of something. Considering the activities we are doing and reporting since 2024, with the Deutsche Bank reported since April 2025. But if your communication and access to the ways to do the report got systematically modified since 2018, of course that the bank will be affected. If the bank consider and do the stimulation calling as digital society, the new ways of transparency, participation and accountability, of course that if we have to do these three things, and the bank has interest on it with the Commission and the European Union, including Portugal, looks quite clear that the suppression and modifications made illegal affected those interests. By this, they have the right to receive your reasons at the soil Europe on embassies in Brazil. If do we have any modification of the building as condominium that has a representative and a business doing the administration inside the common area of the building, right? It's very similar to shit at the street, right? You can't do this normally. Do we have any instruments like the light sensor or the garage control remote used for interconnectivity, which is a clandestine intrusion at the building, or if it had the allowance of someone, and someone placed it there, and the building representative at the condominium, which is one of the units, and the administration will bring the reasons at the European soil. Are you having this? Do we have any kind of insecurity at the building? Can we have the name and the profession of the people living there? Simple like this. If has any lie or distortion, you will go deep. Do we have any department there hidden? Why they are hidden? They are doing investigation about what? An anti-crime effort. Did they have been stolen some sensible data since 2014, including the violations of postal system? And then you will have to arrest the people supposed to be under arrest. It's a systematical program, as you could see. The transnational organized crime acts local through local corruption. The local departments involved are supposed to be under dismiss, which is a list as arrest, because they must be under the hearing procedure, and have the prison of some of them, and even during the period of imprisonment by treasonous practice, some of them under capital penalty. Right? We could observe this idea as empirical results. We have the distortion inside a regular area is indeed trying to overtake the regular area. We had the mobilization of crime, as we could have in orange, which is the corrupted square yellow, until have the pink square, which will be literally the total states and institutions bring themselves as a state and institution, but indeed they are criminal, vile. We had the tiny city that the mafia are viles, the criminals are faces, the crime are faces, right? They follow the same profile, dressing the same way, talking the same thing, the same slangs, and the criminals are those faces unveiled, the focals. You have eyes at them and you get them. Since you got one of them, you go forward, all others, by criminal association, which is the premise. In the institutional corruption, the systematical consequences are undeniable and unavoidable. In Brazil, for instance, we will have another hoax as attempt saying that the violation of privacy and things are not crimes anymore. But nobody is complaining this as a crime. We're complaining this as a misconduct by state power. The crime is the fake records you did in an institutional system, and now others told by law, including 12,850, which is transnational organized crime, Article 1 and 2, and with the terror law told by both supporting the criminal practice or the terror activity by any way is enough reason to Brazil send you to prison. But it's also a guarantee that those practices as terror and paramilitary activity are totally legal in Brazil. But Brazil is involved, so we had to claim the international community by Guarantee 41, if I'm doing no wrong. By the silence and the procrastination of Brazil, which is a crime, by specific hands on public system, it's named prevarication. But interacting as blind silence and ties criminal association in transcontinental level. We had this at the financial system since FIFA, but with the Pan American Games 2007 quite clear. One of the heads there as governor or something was sent to prison. Why would you consider be different with all others? The difference is that the judges involved are doing the judgment of the criminals as faces unveiled. But the faces unveiled need an interaction with the faces and the views. Right? This is the Acadian, working simple. From A to B, we have the coming and going and BBA, but they are all codified from corruption and criminal practice. Then we had the request made, conviction from criminal association at the domestic system, USA and Europe antitrust. From this, all crimes, concurrency on fake records. This is the crime. The private violations and you did and other things are the instrumental component for perpetrate this crime. You are using procedures to do this a conspiracy. They having the conformance in the way you try to do an excuse. Even crime serious, it's the conjuring, but the state power involved, 0 up to 200, treasonous practice against all flags. The clandestine of power misuse to suppress rights offered to the OAS, it's the assignment. And finally, the condemnation of state and institutional power misuse. We have the conviction as criminal conviction, antitrust, the condemnation of misconducts by a court of justice. By the way, it's told the American preamble that they are trying to establish the justice, so they have conditions to apply, ethical punishment. The share rights, the object is aggressive, and we could see that A and B are kind of at the same role as fail, from corruption to crimes. Cases 1, 2, and 3, conclusive and satisfaction is a sure right, but you are trying to default and nowadays trying to say that you committed no crime as private violation. But this is the instrumental component. You underdeveloped country that she feeds the criminality to do at the institutional system. Number 4. Share rights in Brazil, protective guarantees of national foreigners, any person considered individual, group of interests as family, discredit, the receivers of this risk report, or diffuse expectation, like consume something regular, have the regular access of the communication as told by law, etc. Seriously and intentionally hurt, damaged, or affected in irrevocable ways by Brazilian peers in Brazil. You have people that got dead, pets that got dead, people with no cure diseases, with marks stigmatized in the body like tattoos, whatever, or even the cut of hair, shaving the heads of a woman to say that she's a criminal or something. Item 4.1, the suppressive mechanism is what you do when you violate the rights, the guarantees, and say this is your crime, this is not your crime, this is your misconduct against the constitutional protection and rules you have. You are unable, as underdeveloped country, with your peers that you drag with you, to understand the obvious. But it's part of the underdeveloped mentality and the criminal mentality. It's a social disease, the criminal thoughts like any other. The criminal organization unveiled as Ponzi multilevel had two different centers of decisions, international and domestic. We do the international call or the domestic call, and do the adaptations as commutative permutations as skill trained or resources you have, but misuse it. Like if you put the interconnectivity at the condominium common area, you are all wrong and in blazing acts. The warrant is by urgency because they will try to make frauds on it if confirmed, right? They are evasive, not trying to face the consequence. The avoidance is the main goal by now and since 2022. The reason of is protection of the foe because it's criminal authorities. They operate in the statehood Brazil and peers and the criminal system with the corporations involved hosted by two seats to default the share rights of the creditor or any person, including the rewards as 2 billion double because you had to jump against the seats. Indeed, are 3, the debt and the credit. Institutional behavior, which was demonstrated empirically over two years since 2022, and in last 2 months by forensic. We could have the interference, intrusion, consumer, communication, private instruments, individual rights, and companies as groups of interest, international group of interest, like this credit, which is a single credit with interest on it, expectations on it, including the ring. Clandestine and intrusive. Private life, private living, privacy. You say that this is your crime. This is not your crime, you underdeveloped shit country, miserable with your all peers equal as you. This is the misconduct you did to commit the crime told by law, including the blind eye association that puts you to criminal risks and dragging all your peers to the ruined condition that is our share right to claim against you, regressing until the chairs and heads to be under capital penalty 164 trillions. Criminal interference and clandestine intrusion combined with simulation of use. By this you must violate. This is a misconduct against the personality and essential rights, freedoms and liberties of the individual. The OAS is at the role by this. Modification to feed fake records and fraudulent records affected the actions as cognitive process. If not involved. If you are not involved, you can conclude the obvious. They have no excuse. They are cornered, trying the same hoax since 2022. Totally conclusive. That came a long time ago, since at least maybe 1999 or whatever. Then we have this one. The stalk, systematic and uninterrupted collective data after intrusion, illicit interference, and modification of the environment architecture or relation by elements totally outlined. You are not welcome, can't you see it? But insistent, you stalk and do the harassment. You stalk to default the credit and do the harassment to take advantage of the defaults you do, including the application of the law as dismiss order. If you have the power to do the imprisonment as Court of Human Rights, OAS, an international criminal court, you can do the dismissive order. If you can do the stronger consequence, you can do the very first consequence, put them out of the show. Common area resources and license of use, it's the same thing. It's something we use, but you modify it. illegal, intentionally made, crimes against material property, and industrial crimes, right? Including the economic espionage, which is the goal of the FBI as counterintelligence. And you are all individualized as authorities. You have no courage to be at the office in capital city Brazil or at the American embassy to do the accountability because you claim at those places because it's a right of the credit and the creditor, right? When you go into the embassy, you can be summarily sent to prison, but you will be evasive and you'll be called to the state deliver you. The state Brazil and others want gonna give, showing the cowardice those states have. The such analysis is still flawless, and so the occasion. Interference, intrusion, man in the middle, proximity, gateways, spread private issues. You got in touch with these that do not concern to you, underdeveloped country and criminal peers. Bifocals, unveiled by the foreign state made, fractals as domain and representing the views as deep state and mafia, mentoring the process at the institutional system even after they got retired by a scheme of nepotism to fulfill the power with criminal ties while they are replacing the criminal groups, sending the criminal real to prison and taking both areas, regular and not regular. This is the intention to set the pink as the square we had. The sensible data obtained by this behaviorism of Brazil public system, the cretinismus brasilis, obsession to commit crimes and frauds on control instrument, make this weak, allowing the interaction as broke window and having no conditions to do the responsiveness expected to be made, taking the legitimacy and the sovereignty, and doing this also as a market. It's the monkeys with forks, right? You dress yourself like a fancy clown, but you can't use your assignment at the purpose and mission of your institution and organization. You are a fraud. At the judicial power, not doing the imprisonment of criminals. At the mafia, not burning the rats you have, right? They are concurrent on public system. Nowadays in Brazil, with sports players and others involved, including artists. The institutional corruption is the way and something we had evidenced, but they are using still for avoidance. Having the sensible data, creating vulnerabilities, and finally the fragilities to do the exploitation, suppression. The accessibility, default, and barriers of regular rights suppressed, citizenship, civil rights, and essential freedoms and liberty have no transparency and make impossible to do the participation of individual groups or diffuse interests, including the accountability. We're going to have something today, considering that the United States have been offered advantage and free cards with total rights for anyone paying something. But is it fair you pay for a nationality if the ties you only can have by blood or soil? Right? In some cases, the adoption. We will have, this is the international law, the international jurisdiction. We will have that in the 90s, we had the company Unisys. The Unisys from inside took a lot of commitment on the outside. And those commitments took at the outside are all in overpriced scams that indeed surround the company as capacity to do the payment of centers of interest dominance of each one of those overpriced contracts. The company got pulverized and formed different centers of activities, right? But they are sourced in something, at least illegal, told by the FBI. Our operations declared no. The company refunded, considering the values, current optimizing, And those elements here, everything made listed for the DOJ USA as criminal association, right? On current time, if you have this, for instance, the IBM that must follow the West Preamble, we are establishing the justice. Must follow the US Preamble, and you do not have this, have inside the company the limits as clients you have, and the options you did and create and invented all the time have this, but all this inside the company, as you can see, do not fit here. You will still have the relation debit and credit to support your activity by your own strength. Here, as you can see, has a period huge and bigger than the company, leads to corruption of the environment. Same situation here by variance. It's the idea response multi-level. Then to support this, you increase your dependence of external ways of investment, taking your financial autonomy and self-determination, right? This kind of thing will advance and engulf little by little the company. Then you do the pulverization of the company with the same thing as the head or director of each one of those processes. As fragmentation made, lost the identity and the essential components of the company. This is requested to the FBI, observing the DOJ. Phase 9 is to be declared null. If confirmed, all this null, refund the company they are offered, all for criminal imprisonment and association, right? Considering the cases from the past by the pattern, you have inference where say we have the ties at least as an inference. This criminal organization at the American global business would be unveiled, and they will be the reason to the headquarters in New York obtain the tax immunity. All contracts will be made on New York, USA, right? This is the arcade, not an IBM message. Have a terrific day.